Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set a default address on Amazon. This is particularly useful if you want to streamline your checkout process and ensure your orders are always shipped to your preferred location without having to select it every time. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account settings. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account page where you can manage all your personal settings and preferences. On the account page, scroll through the available options until you find your addresses and click on it. This section displays all the shipping addresses you've saved to your Amazon account, making it easy to manage where your packages are delivered. If you have several addresses saved, take a moment to review them and locate the one you want to set as your default address. Once you've found the address you prefer, you'll notice a button labeled Set as Default right next to it. Click this button, and Amazon will automatically update your settings so that all future orders default to this shipping address. This saves you time during checkout since you won't need to manually select this address each time you place an order. Alternatively, if you want to add a completely new address and make that your default, the process is just as straightforward. Look for the Add Address button and click on it. This will open a form where you can enter your shipping details. Go ahead and type in your street address, followed by your city, state, and zip code. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any delivery issues. Now here's the important part. Before you finish adding this new address, look for the checkbox beside Make this my default address. Check this box to ensure that this new address becomes your primary shipping location immediately. Once you've filled in all the required fields and checked that box, click the Add Address button at the bottom of the form. Amazon will save this new address and automatically set it as your default. And that's it. You've successfully set your default address on Amazon, which means your future orders will ship directly to your preferred location without any extra steps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.